Hello guys, David here with Btekt, and I'm in Barcelona for MWC, where Huawei have just announced the Mate X, an incredible looking handset, their first folding phone and first 5G phone. Just look at it. This comes just after Samsung announced their Galaxy Fold, which really did impress everybody at the Unpacked event the other day, but no one actually got to see the device. We just saw a video of somebody using it. Huawei have kind of gone one step further. Nobody was actually allowed to touch the device, but we did get very close and had a good amount of time to take pictures while somebody showed it off to us. But if you ask me, this device does look more elegant than Samsung's offering. It's much thinner for a start, measuring 5.4mm when unfolded and 11mm when folded up, which is considerably thinner than the Samsung device. There's no under-display scanner in this phone. The fingerprint scanner is on the side, which I know some people will actually prefer. A lot of people will actually. It runs on a Kirin 980 chipset with the Belong 5000 5G modem inside, so download speeds of up to 4.6 gigabits per second are achievable with this phone. On the back of the device, on one edge, you'll find all the camera modules, which also gives you a nice little grip so you can hold the device one-handed when it's unfolded. Huawei announced that this device will have a new Leica triple camera system, but they didn't actually say what it was. But by the time this video goes live, we should find out more details about this one. When folded up, on the camera side, the screen measures 6.3 inches, and on the other side it measures 6.6 inches. And when the device is fully unfolded, it measures 8 inches in total, with a screen resolution of 2480 by 2200. It's a nice full view display with hardly any bezels at all. Huawei have approached this in a different way to Samsung. The Samsung folds inwards like a book, and so another screen is necessary to place on the front when it's closed, and that screen has quite huge bezels on it. The Huawei device folds outwards the other way, so only one screen is used, and there's no bezels. There's a pair of batteries in there with a total capacity of 4500 mAh. But the best thing about these batteries is that they support a 55 watt supercharger, which will get them from 0 to 85% in just 30 minutes. Anyone who's got a Mate 20 Pro knows that that phone charges incredibly fast, and that's a 40 watt supercharger. So 55 watts is going to have you topped up in no time. I know a lot of people are going to want to get this phone in their hand as soon as possible, but that all important spec we don't quite know yet, and that's the price. I'm sure Huawei will undercut Samsung, but by how much? But Huawei also had another product to show us, the new MateBook X Pro. Last year the MateBook X Pro won Best in Show, and this year it sees a few very impressive and unique improvements. The new MateBook X Pro weighs about the same as its predecessor at 1.33 kilograms and is just 14.6mm thick. It has a 3K touch sensitive screen, 260 ppi, and the screen maxes out at a very bright 450 nits. It still has that very unique placing for the camera underneath one of the keys. It has the latest generation Intel processing chip and Nvidia discrete graphics. But the MateBook X Pro is now able to interact with your phone in new ways. The new feature is called One Hop, and it allows you to instantly transfer text or pictures or video straight to your computer from your phone by placing the phone on this sticker. In the demonstration it worked great, and the photos took 1 second to transfer from the phone to the computer. Seems like it could be an incredibly useful feature. Like the previous MateBook X, there is a fingerprint scanner on the power button, and it will take just 7 seconds to boot up from when you first push that button. The first MateBook X Pro was an incredibly well designed device, and they seem to have just taken that excellent design one step further with the new MateBook X Pro. But anyway, that's it from me guys. There's lots more phone releases coming up over the next few days, so make sure you're subbed to Btekt, where I'll be bringing you the latest in my YouTube stuff. A big thanks to Direct Mobiles for looking after us here at Btekt. They have an incredible 24 years of award-winning customer service and now comparison tools to make sure that you're going to get a good deal. Check down in the description below and you'll find a link to their deals, or you can search directmobiles.co.uk. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and check back tomorrow for more from MWC. I'm David and this is Btekt.